Hi, EDU 150 students. This is Dr. Legler. I wanted to give you an explanation about the school technology project. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose an online tool that is used for teaching and learning. So you can go to this sign-up sheet and choose any online tool here that you see, and these are all used for teaching and learning. If there's a tool that you would like to use that you don't see on here, you may add it a row to the bottom and then put your name. So all you need to do is just write your name in column 2. So only one student can choose any one online tool. So after you choose an online tool, you're going to have to create a screencasting video. A screencasting video is similar to what I'm doing right now with this video. You can choose to have just your voice or your voice and a little picture. It can have you in the corner here. And it's a video that's made that shows whatever is on your screen. You can go to websites, you could talk about your slide presentation, however you want to do it. So you might want to make a few slides with Prezi or Google Slides or PowerPoint, and then actually go to the Online Tools website and go through and talk about the online tool some more and how it's used, give some examples, how teachers might use it for teaching and learning, how students might use it. So you can also use any screencasting tool of your choice. So here's a couple of articles about different screencasting tools. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic because I think it's pretty easy to use. But basically, you're presenting this school technology project through a screencasting video. So once you've recorded your presentation, you will upload your video to YouTube. Okay, so this video right here will show you how to upload your screencast video to YouTube. Want to make sure that you briefly introduced students to a technology tool that could be integrated in the PK through 12 curriculum, discuss potential uses of the tool in different subject areas and grades. So you will need to speak while during your screencasting video, and you'll need to show people a slide presentation and or the website that has the tool on it. So if I was doing Kahoot, I would go to the Kahoot website and talk about all the features of Kahoot and show them how it's done and how it would be used in classrooms in different grades and subjects. So remember, this assignment is due on April 26th. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing those. The reason I put this assignment on a discussion page was so that you guys can view each other's screencast videos and learn about different online tools that are used for teaching and learning. So hope you have a great day. Thanks.